Auditor General.
Muthenya wa gatatu kirumaniririo, kamiti ya bunge ya hinya wa kuhuthika na ya wigwatiri wa honge cia thirikari ithiete na mbere na kwenjera ciigi mubango wa thirikari wa kwendia kambuni ya utambia wa maguta KPC. Umuthi ngwataniro ya wendia wa maguta makiro makeni na kurega mubango ucio.
We are not convinced as a union that we need to privatize KPC. The money that we're looking at can be realized if we streamline the management of KPC. As we speak, we're trying to fight corruption at KPC at our level as a union, which is not basically our mandate. But we are forced to do that because we want the best out of KPC.
O maugite angikorwo itanya ria thirikari ni guthondeka ciringi bilioni 100 cia guteithiriria tabarira itiganite cia thirikari, no yambike mitaratara ya guteithia kambuni iyo ithondeke mbeca hatari kumiendia.
Now, Bwana PS, it means therefore that the conversations we are having here around valuation have not factored the potential business opportunity that this company will have if it transforms itself into an oil marketing company. Why do we want to sell this company at 100 billion when we know very well that if it changes and becomes an oil marketing company, it will make 100 billion in a year?
It's not like it must be 65, but the important thing is that for you to be at the capital markets, and it's good that to get it out of being a parastatal, it has to be seed the shares more than 51%. Yeah, so this now we saying we can go up to 65. 65 is large enough, but we have 35, which still is able to give us controlling stake. It's still a good investment, and if it's the company that will perform, we will still get good dividends.
Kamite ici ciarigirire gutemania riboti bunge-ini ya bururi muthenya wa aramithi kiumia giki.
We did, my cabinet secretary was in Javanji as part of the process of public participation for the budget. And in that process, he also mentioned the issue of privatization, where we are indicating that we will rely on privatization proceeds. But even this forum we are here today is still part of public participation.
You see, we are dealing with a very delicate issue here, that the public trust is actually what is wanting outside there. And for us to restore it, and the way this thing is being, assumed that it is being rushed, I think it is important for us to be very careful. So if we can just get that evidence of that public participation, because what we are just hearing is Jivanji only. So is Kenya Jivanji only?
Gerifotra Inoro TV, Jetagwo Jenga, Wabui.